Hi friends, welcome to CodeNet, and today we want to introduce a new course which is operating systems in our channel, of course, which is CodeNet. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment if possible, for we to know where we can improve and for we to know what we can do in order to make you understand the very content that you wish to understand when it comes to the actual courses that are offered at this channel. Operating systems. Each and every student that is in any IT related field or any cyber related field, any software related field, any computer science related field needs to know the basics and all the concepts that are related to operating system. An operating system. What is an operating system? Well, many scholars define operating systems as simply an interface that allows or that links the user and a machine. You have your cell phone, maybe you have your computer, or maybe should I say you have your tablet, I don't know, anything that you have, for as long as it is an electronic gadget. What links you to the actual machinery of that gadget is called an operating system. We have different types of operating systems, of course. We can have an operating system which is based on Android, an operating system which can be based on iOS, an operating system which is based on Linux, an operating system that based on Windows. We have 1,000, and of course with different categories of operating systems. Some are bunch based, some are time sharing. We have different types of operating systems. Hence the introduction of the course Operating Systems being introduced here on CodeNet for you to understand more on what calculations can be done based on the operating systems and how you can come up with your own operating system. As we proceed with this course, please don't forget to subscribe. We'll even see and double check which type of operating system we can actually customize if need be. Of course, we'll ask for permission from the owners of that system. Please don't forget to subscribe. It is an enjoying course, a course that we will definitely enjoy and love seeing it here on CodeNet. So in our next session, because we are just having our introduction, in our next session we'll understand the basics to an OS, basics to an operating system. At this point, we will see and understand certain terminologies that we can, of course, find in operating systems, how we can define them, and how we can actually practically implement them when we want to oversee and see how we can work with operating systems, either Android, Windows, Linux, Mac, iOS, or anything, any type of an operating system. From there, we'll proceed into a certain session that will hold, of course, a number of sessions or videos that we'll use to understand each and every session that is down the line in respect to scheduling algorithm. We'll understand what scheduling algorithms are and what actually an algorithm is. Of course, by now, I'm sure we even understand that, okay, an algorithm is simply a step by step, a procedural way of finding out a solution to a certain problem. We understand what scheduling algorithms are and how they are implemented by an operating system. And the very first scheduling algorithm that we understand is simply a first come first serve scheduling algorithm. How can we implement, calculate, and actually do the computation in relation to the scheduling algorithm? We will see practical examples of how these algorithms are implemented in Android operating system, in Mac iOS operating systems, and other types of operating system. Then the second type of a scheduling algorithm that we understand is simply the shortest job first scheduling algorithm. Shortest job first scheduling algorithm. This type of an algorithm will, of course, help us to understand what is a preemptive shortest job scheduling algorithm and what is a non-preemptive scheduling algorithm. Hence, we have two sessions that will be based on the shortest job first scheduling algorithm. After that, we'll now go on the last algorithm, the last scheduling algorithm that we'll talk about, which is a round-robin scheduling algorithm. Round-robin, secular-like. Of course, we can tell, we'll understand what it is and how it is implemented by, of course, any operating system. Windows, Android, Mac, of course, any operating system that we'll discuss on our channel. After that, we'll also go on another level of understanding of operating system. We'll discuss what page replacement algorithms are. Definitely, we now know that an algorithm is simply a step-by-step way of doing something. Page replacement will focus more on the main memory, the RAM. You have a cell phone, maybe is it a 4 GB RAM cell phone? Is it your PC? Maybe is it a 12 GB RAM, gigabytes RAM? Or understand how page replacement algorithms are done in the RAM, of course understanding what frames are, and then from there the very first page replacement algorithm that will base more attention to is a FIFO type of page replacement algorithm. First in, first out. What is that? How can it be implemented? We'll do that and discuss that. Then another type of a page replacement algorithm which the RAMs actually use, any electronic gadget, is it your PC, your tablet, your Android phone, is of course a certain type, another type called a least recently used page replacement algorithm. We'll also discuss that and see how we can implement a LRU page replacement algorithm. And lastly, we'll understand what an optimal page replacement algorithm is here on CodeNet. Please don't forget to subscribe. Actually, share this content under the information for we to have a clear understanding of what operating systems are. And lastly, after all these discussions, for we to implement what we discuss, we'll customize a certain operating system. From there, we'll even understand that, oh, so this is what is happening at this point. It will be more like a workshop that will be based on the content that we'll discuss on the theoretical part of operating systems, course content, and all the concepts that we've outlined so far. Let's proceed on our next session as we understand all the overall basics that we need to know in operating systems. Hence, please, let's proceed on our next session.